Black people run credit right now. You guys are doing like 80% of the business.
We know who's who, like who's doing funding, who's doing coaching. It's not a one size fits all when it comes to funding. So it's like, are you really teaching this? Do you really got this?
Black people are running fucking credit. You guys are running it.
I have a different
tell me
take on
about that. Yeah,
I have a different take on that, right?
Yeah.
Because I feel like entrepreneur, I don't know if it's me that just matured and then like entrepreneurs are like the new rappers we're in.
Yeah.
Like, music is falling off or even falling off Billboard charts and
Facts,
this and that.
dude. True.
Right? But it's like, who got the real clout now? We all know the names, right? In the space. We got the entrepreneurs, we get diamond out, iced out watches and chains, and then come to my mastermind. Like, no more mixtapes, we got ebooks.
Yes.
Honestly. So it's like
ebooks are the new mixtapes, bro.
Ebooks are new mixtapes.
They really are.
So we become the most relevant people in the space. But overall, we know who's who, like who's doing funding, who's doing coaching. And then we got like people that will teach you how to do, they put a lot of emphasis on the coaches are teaching coaches how to be coaches. And then there's like a theme. All right, which theme you want to go with? Funding? All right, let's go. But you're making a lot of money with funding. Like funding. Like it's like, even with this event, you're like, what's worth my time? And who really got the sauce? It's not a one size fits all when it comes to funding. So it's like, are you really teaching this? Do you really got this? Like, so at the end of the day, I know who's who. We can name drop right now. Joe McCoy is one of them, you know?
He's
like,
from Chicago?
No. Like Jack
McCall.
Jack McCall, my bad.
McCoy,
you know
that's a guy from Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Stacking
Shout out to
Capital,
McCoy.
like all
Yeah.
I know who's who, and it's like the white people, like, bro, they are like doing the millions that I see.
Yeah.
And then more like us, I see a lot of coaching more than like who's doing
Well, I wasn't even a shot at that. My point was gonna be, it's like, I'm a white guy, I get it. But like at the same time, you have not done what I have done. You are not spending $100,000 a month on ads. You have not spent $250,000 on coaching. You've not gotten $1.5 million in funding.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me why that is in terms of like Black people run credit right now. Like you guys are doing like 80% of the business. And like even from the start, when I started with Glad's Group, I was the only white guy. I'm like, oh, okay, that's kind of interesting. You know, it's just,
man, I don't know.
Tell me about
After
that. Like,
COVID,
culturally,
shout
why
out
is
to
that?
look. I'm
Yeah.
supposed. What's today? Oh, tomorrow I was gonna fly out, but I'm here. I was gonna fly out to 1% again. Shout out to him, 500. He just made this whole financial.
He did, bro. He
financial
really,
literacy
yeah.
like so popular, trending, this and that, and he spawned a lot of people that are
did.
popular today.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So a lot of people I'm even pending. Oh, I should do their mentorship, but like they learned from him, 500. So, you know, I went back to the 1% mastermind, and I kind of like
You
give him a lot
attributed
of
to
credit.
that. He put all of us on.
Yeah, like at least 3,000 people that just joined his stuff, and then just like, not a lot of people that. So shout out to him, but
Shout out him,
ultimately the
500.
people that came after him, they really like they made the rappers irrelevant because they added the lifestyle to it, they added the flash, and it's like a appeal to it. It's
Everyone's
like,
going on tour.
you
I'm
could
on
be
tour
down
right
to
now.
earth. Yeah, he was on tour
Yeah.
recently, like so it's like really I respect it. I love the game. I'm a student. And I'm always learning my damn self,
Bro, you are a student, man. In the first like 2 minutes I met you, I'm like, this guy's bright.
Man.
This guy's very like intuitive in a way.
Man, I'm always searching for information I don't know. I know I don't know it all,